Hi guys, welcome back to channel. We live in the world where everyone has talking about automation. Okay, so automation is just like a hot kick in market. So how automation will change the world, but automate the tedious task, we need to design the automation first. Am I right? Hi guys, my name is Naveen, and today we'll focus on RPA Developer Salary in India. I will tell about why every enterprise need a RPA developer in India market, and we'll understand today what type of company they are hiring for RPA developers. Okay, so without any further delay, let me start. So RPA today agenda is RPA developer in salary in India. Let me go for next slide. Here, are you ready for highest paid IT job? Okay, so that is the correct things. Are you ready for highest paid job? Upskill and reskill your career into RPA UiPath, RPA tools, and get the salary from 6 to 25 LPA and up to 31 LPA in market as a RPA UiPath consultant. You can get easily from market. Let me go for the third slide. Here, the agenda is how can I start as a RPA developer. Okay. So guys, if you want to start the career as a RPA developer, anyone who are doing the BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech, BSCIT, anyone can start the career into RPA developer. You can start after third year. You can start the career as a RPA internship in any multinational company or a small level company. You can start. Okay. If you ask me, the small company as well as your multinational company, what type of stipend I can get as a RP intern, I can say 20,000 to 25,000 easily you can get around 2 to 3 LPA easily you can get from the market. Okay, so you can start as a RP intern, and there are lots of people who are working more than 5 years experience into testing, into Java, into your .NET. Okay, any people who have more than 5 to 10 years experience from different technology, you can also start the career as a RPA developer. So you have to show the more than 5 to 10 years experience, whatever you have. So there you have to show like that 8 years experience of your Java and 2 years of relevant experience into RPA UiPath. Okay, so total you can show like that 10 years experience of overall IT experience. That is the things you have to show. And anyone who are from IT background, you can start the career as a RP developer or senior RP consultant. And the second thing is anyone from who is non-technical background, that is non-IT job, like the desktop support, like your BPO, like your call center, anyone can easily start the career into RPA world. Okay, because RPA is low, there is coding is not required. That is called low code platform, because there we do the things like that, drag and drop. Okay, so anyone who is BCA, BTech, MTech, MCA, anyone in third year also, you can start the career as a RPA developer. Okay, the second question, RPA developer job trends. Okay, so guys, please try to understand. You know very well that is Java, that is core Java. You know .NET, you know Python, you know PHP. Okay, so the things right now, Java already complete more than 20-25 years, .NET already complete 20-25 years, Python already complete more than 20 years, PHP also complete more than 20 years. The things right now, here you have to work on top 10 technology. Okay, so top 10 technology, I'm going to show you. If you go to the Google and if you search right now, top 10 technology by Edureka, if you get here, if you come here, you will get the hyper automation, that is RPA on the top. If you go for a different company like that national skill, you will get the RPA AI in top 5. You can get here. Again, we'll come to the Simply Learn. It say RPA AI is the top 5. That is in top second. You can see here. RPA AI on the top 1. You can see here. Apart from that, we have different things called Greeks website. And if you go here for checking these things, top 10 technology for 2022, you can see your hyper automation that is on the top level. Okay, means it's saying there are different company, they are saying RPA AI is the top technology to learn right now. Okay, if you asked me which is the best technology to learn in 2022, there is 2 technology I will suggest you to everyone. That is the first one is data scientist and second one is RPA. Again, you ask me why I'm suggest you to start the career as a RPA developer. Guys, for data scientists, you have to learn multiple things. Like you have to go for again Python, and Python they have to go for coding. Okay. So if you don't know the coding, if you're not from technical background, you are from non-technical background, like the testing, like your WordPress, like your HTML, CSS, like your BPO. So Python, it's very, very tough to survive in market. For data scientists required more than 6 to 9 months, at least 1 year to learn Python, like that, learn your R programming language, like you learn your statics, multiple things you have to learn for that. Then you can go for the data scientist. And if you ask me the fees also for training, that is more than 1 LPA. But if you ask me the RPA, it's very less money required for learn this type of technology. And easily you are able to do in 45 days, sufficient time to learn. And in RPA also, you can complete, and coding is not required. 90% coding is not required for your RPA. Let me go for slide. So here, RPA developer salary for freshers. Okay, so you have to understand this question. If you go for market, like that in India market, what type of salary you can expect from market? Let me go here on Google and we'll check here. Okay, so Google will go for the incognito window. So there we can get. Okay, let me go for Google. So here we'll go for that RPA developer salary for freshers. Okay, so we are discussing about the fresher salary. Let me go for that. So as average entry level developer salary in India is 6.5 per annum and a max of 11 LPA per annum. It's not by me, guys, it's by Google. Try to understand in market, if you go for very good company like that Capgemini or any big four company or any multinational company, every company is paying right now 6.5 LPA. Try to understand, guys, this is right now 2022. It's not like that your 2005 model. Every company is paying good salary. Okay, so you have to go for multinational company. Every company is paying right now 6.5 LPA, or you can say up to 11 LPA. Okay, means that is the average salary you can get from the market. That is the for average entry level salary, that is 6.5. Okay, let me go for these things. Let me go for, if you go for check these things on Upgrade or different website, we'll get the more details about the salary package in India. That is the 6.5, and average mid level you can see here 12 LPA and max salary up to 20 LPA. There are lots of websites you can check here. You can go for that, and ambition you can go like that. 6.7 is the average salary in India market. You can see here. Okay, so that is the average salary. That is the RP salary. 6.7 LPA. You can round figure. You can take like that. 7 LPA is the average salary, and up to 10 LPA they have provided. Okay, so based on two company, you are getting like that. 7 LPA is the average salary in India as a RPA developer. Okay, again, the second question. If you are a 5 years experience or 6 years experience, that is the you are showing of .NET or Java or something else, and relevant experience of UiPath, you are showing the 2 years experience into UiPath or 3 years experience into UiPath, and totally you have a 5 to 8 years experience. Then how much salary I can get from the market? That is totally depend on current salary. Okay, so if you search on Google, let me check on Google how much I can get from market. Okay, so we'll go for that. Senior RPA, I'm talking about the UiPath. Okay, so senior RPA UiPath consultant salary in India. So if you go for senior RP consultant, if you go for as a senior RP consultant, the Google say average UiPath senior RP developer salary in India is 22 lakhs per year for employees with experience between 5 years to 8 years. Senior RP developer salary UiPath range between 16 LPA round figure to 31 LPA per year. 31 lakhs package per annum. Salary estimate on based on 8 salary reviewed from various employee of UiPath. Okay, so I am not talking about I am not talking 31 LPA, but it's Google salary. You can see your 7-figure salary, 31 as the max salary. Guys, I have written here very less salary on this print. If you come here, 6 to 25 LPA, that is the minimum salary you can get from market as a fresher, and up to experience from 5 to 8 years into market. Okay, so but if you come to Google, it's saying 31 LPA. Okay, so there are different websites. If you come to this ambition box and if you open right now, we'll get right now, that is the highest salary you can get, like it 22 LPA. That is the average salary for the your senior RPA consultant. Okay, so you can get like a senior RPA consultant, and there are lots of company. You can see here on the top, you can get here. I get 22 LPA as a senior RPA developer. Let me come on the next slide. Okay, so that is the things called senior RPA consultant around your based on salary 22 LPA is the your average salary in the market. Okay, again the next question, top 10 multinational company to start the career as a RPA developer. Guys, that is very good question. If you're going to ask this question, I can say the first answer, especially it will be with your UiPath for everyone who is going to start the career. UiPath should be the dream company for everyone. Okay, so UiPath is the product-based company. Let's go for next slide. So UiPath is the product-based company in India and across world. They have more than 3,500 plus people. They are working in India and across world. So first, try to go for UiPath. It's a very good company. It's product-based company. There you will get lots of learning about the robotic project. Okay. Apart from that, if you ask me, EY. So I will suggest you to go for Big Four company, that is EY, go for Deloitte, go for KPMG, go for PwC. That is the Big Four company I will suggest you to go for. Apart from that, if you ask me the best company, I will suggest you the Capgemini is the very, very good company. You can get the latest technology in Capgemini, and that is France-based company. They have more than 3 lakhs employees. Apart from that, we have Accenture is also a very, very good company. And apart from Accenture, we have LTI. You can go for LTI also. That is the company 3 is the very, very best, very good company. There you can get the very good salary, and they will get the very good knowledge also. They will provide the webinar also for latest technology. Okay, so there you can grow in that particular company. Okay. Apart from that, we in the first row we have more than 6 to 7 service-based company. That is the on the first number you can get like a TCS. TCS, I think more than 4 lakhs employee in India and across world. So TCS is very good company for starting the career. And apart from that, we have Infosys, also very good company. The third one is HCL. Okay, guys, HCL is very, very good company. You can start your career. HCL provide very less salary, but you can start the career. HCL is also very good company. If you're an experienced person, 10 years, I get 15 years, definitely try to stay in HCL. It's very good company. Apart from that, we have Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is also a very good company. They provide very good salary. You can go for that. Apart from that, we have Wipro. Wipro is also a very good company. You can start your career as an RPA developer. And we have a Cognizant that is also multi company, service company. It's a very good company. You can start the career. Okay. We have an IBM that is also a very good company. The last Optum. Okay. Optum, that is United Health Group, that is also a very, very good company, and they're very good strength in especially into RPA. You can go for that. And we have a DXC Technology that is also a very good company. Mphasis also a very good company. You can start the career. Coforge, that is previously known as NIT Technology. You can start the career into Coforge also. That is Noida-based multinational company. You can start the career. Hexaware, also Indian-based multinational company. You can start. Mindtree, EXL, and entity data. Okay, so guys, please comment me also in which company you have already worked as a RPA developer. You have started the career and you have already working right now in this type of multinational company in India and across world, especially into RPA project. Okay, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for this type of informative video. We'll create lots of video, especially into RPA technology, especially into Python, especially into machine learning. Whatever the latest technology, definitely we'll try to create the video and you can check here. Okay, so thank you very much for your time and watching this video. Thank you very much.